Hello students, so today we are going to see some important verbs, and basically these all verbs belong to normal rule. If you haven't watched the normal rule verb complete video, how to conjugate any simple normal rule verb, please do watch it and then come back to these pronunciations. These pronunciations are basically from lesson 1 to lesson 4. I have tried taking a note of all the important nouns from lesson 1 to lesson 4. And these are very important in all the aspects, not only for A1, for 11th standard, for 12th as well, and for the other basic level courses, because these are the words which we use n number of time in our daily routine also. So number 1, urine. Urine, we'll go through the pronunciation first. Try to listen the recording or the video many times first. And once you have heard it carefully, practiced it with me, made your own sounds, and then we will go through the meanings. Don't write the meanings now. We'll just do the pronunciation. Okay? So urine. Urine. H-Y-O sound, how it is. H-Y-O sound, like that you have to try. Urine. Machen. Machen. Lernen. L-E, you can underline and write over there lay. Okay? Lernen. Wohnen. Wohnen. H is silent over here. Wohnen. Kommen. Kommen. Now, the next word when you try, we already know to say the word shy in English. Okay? So, try to say S-H-R-Y. It will become shry. Okay? Shry. And I have already given you the sound of E-I. If you remember, the sound of E-I with R. I have already given you a hint. You can go to your last page and just check out what that hint is. Yeah? Schreiben. Schreiben. Fragen. Fragen. Don't worry about the meanings. We are going to come for it. Fragen. Spielen. Sp sound it has. Sp. Okay? Spielen. Joggen. I know J in German is pronounced like Y, or in English we can say Y, but this is an exceptional case. Please try to say it joggen only. Joggen. J for jug. Okay? Joggen. Schwimmen. 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 Singen. Z for Zenkar. Okay? It is not S for snake. It is not S for snake. It is Z. Singen. Kochen. Kochen. Sagen. Again S for Zenkar. Okay? Sagen. Fehlen. If you want, underline the F-E word. Write over there fe. Fe. Yeah? Fehlen. Don't say feelen. It is wrong. It is fe. Fe. Like how we say fake news. We say no fake. Like that sound fe should come. Fe. Fe. Fehlen. Liegen. L-I-E. Please underline it. And here I is first. Whenever I is first, I always tell you, remember the word imli, idli, or the ones who are not, means they speak only English, for them you can remember the word English, E, that E sound, okay, English, E. Liegen, it is E, liegen. Please write here in your native language the word li if you want, li, L for lamp, liegen. B for ball, okay. Besuchen. Please underline CH word and write K. Besuchen. I hope in the word kochen over here, you have underlined CH and written K. Kochen. Besuchen. Kennen. 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 Wählen. 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 W-A with 2 dot has a sound of way. Wählen. We cannot say wa. It is way. A with 2 dots. Wählen. Kaufen. 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 Suchen. CH underline and write K. Suchen. Zwingen. 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 malen, then le. Now here lie is there, so we have written li, but here only le is there. E for elephant. It has a sound of a. Lay. Please write in your native language. Lay. And the ones who are English speakers, they can assume the word lake if you remember. Lay. Or else lays. So it has a sound of lay. Legen. Nennen. Bekommen. Beschreiben. Beschreiben. Never say beschrieben. It's wrong. Bekommen. Beschreiben, verstehen, springen, okay, springen, kaufen, trinken, bringen, brauchen, ch underline and write k. Here ha with 2 dots, hey, okay, so schälen, schmecken. If any word is repeated, you ignore it. You don't copy it again in your notebook. Okay? So, these are few important words. Now we will go through the meanings of each. Hören, please write down and take all the words. You can pause the video, write down all the words from the beginning of the video, and then I'll tell you the meanings one by one. Hören means. Now students, in German, the word means, okay, the word means is called bedeuten. I'll tell you this word properly in TD rule again, but at present just listen the sound of bedeuten. Okay, bedeuten. Bedeuten means. So instead of saying hören means hearing, so I will say hören bedeutet to hear. So hören means what? To hear. So write with your black color pen, of course. And you write in your systematic manner only. You can write the meanings in the margin. Yeah. So hören bedeutet to hear. Machen bedeutet to make, oblique to do. Machen has two meanings. It has two meanings. One is to do and one is to make. Like I am doing my homework. That time also we use the word machen. Or I am making pizza. That time also we use the word machen. To make or to do. Both the meaning is machen. Lernen bedeutet to learn. Wohnen bedeutet to stay, 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 or to live, live. Kommen bedeutet to come. Schreiben bedeutet to write. Fragen bedeutet to ask question. Spielen bedeutet to play. Joggen bedeutet to jog. Schwimmen bedeutet to swim. Singen bedeutet to sing. Kochen bedeutet to cook. Then sagen bedeutet to say. Fehlen bedeutet to lack, to be absent, to make some mistake is called fehlen. If you miss something, that is called fehlen. Liegen bedeutet to lie. Now here, lie means when you are keeping your pencil on the table. So the pencil is lying on the table. The pillows are lying on the bed. Yeah? Or I am lying on the bed. So that is called liegen over here. Liegen. Besuchen bedeutet to visit. Kennen bedeutet to know. K-N-O-W, know. I know her. I know you. In that manner, it is kennen. Wählen bedeutet to choose. Kaufen bedeutet to buy. You are buying something. Literally, you are purchasing something. Okay. Suchen bedeutet to search. Zwingen bedeutet to swing. Malen bedeutet to paint. Legen bedeutet to put or to keep, to locate something somewhere. Like I am keeping my book on the table, or I am keeping the bottle in the refrigerator. So keeping, putting, that is called legen in German. Nennen, to name, name to animals. So we say no, name, to name. That verb is called nennen. Bekommen, to get. Ich bekomme gift. So I got gift, or I am getting gift. So that is called bekommen. Beschreiben, to describe. Yeah. Verstehen, to understand. Ich verstehe means I understood, or I am understanding. Verstehen means to understand. Springen, to jump. Trinken, to drink. T for tiger, okay? Trinken. Bringen, it has the same meaning in English. Bringen bedeutet to bring. Brauchen, ch underline and write k sound. Brauchen bedeutet to need. Schälen, schälen bedeutet to peel. P-E-E-L, peel. When you're peeling potatoes and many things, yeah? Carrots. Schmecken bedeutet to taste. T-A-S-T-E, to taste. Pizza is tasting very good. So that taste. It tastes very good. Schmecken, yeah? There are few words which are also normal rules over here, but it has a peculiar ending. So I have written it together. Same endings it has. How to say it? First, you need to know to say E-R-E-N, ear-en, 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 ear-en. It will be easy for you. Once you know to say ear-en, then you say this first half. Probi, probieren, notieren, probieren, notieren, markieren, produzieren, studieren, kontrollieren, fotografieren. Yeah? Go through the video. Probieren, notieren, markieren, produzieren, studieren, kontrollieren, fotografieren. The meaning of probieren is to try. Yeah, you're trying few things. Maybe you can try Swedish. You can try some dress. Probieren. Notieren, to note down. Markieren, to mark. Produzieren, to produce. Studieren, to study. Kontrollieren, to control. Fotografieren, to take photos. So you have to use the same normal rule for this. And then there are few exceptional cases. Sammel and Wechsel. Students, why these are exceptional cases, I tell you. First things, these are normal rules. So we know in normal rule what happens? We have to cut. But here en is not there. En at the end is not there. Only n is there. So if only n is there, you cut only n. Don't cut ln. Only n you have to cut. Like usual, from the beginning till the end, write only the starting word till L. Write only the starting word till L with the blue color. Take your black color and then start putting the endings in the same manner. Ish should end with E. Du should end with ST. RZS should end with T. Now when the comes wir and big Z and small z, you have to be careful. You cannot put en. You have to just put n. Ear will be T only. So only in wir and big Z, small z, you have to be careful that you only put n. Never put en, because the word is not ending with en. So you cannot put by yourself en. So only put n over there. Yeah. So please do these conjugations and do send it to me. Keep it in normal rule collection only. I want you to all these verbs, whatever I taught you all today, just check on your loose paper. You have noted this down or not. You have made a collection of this or not. I have already told you all to make collection of a normal rule in a normal rule video. Make sure you send me the loose paper collection of all these normal rule verbs conjugated with blue and black color with written meanings above. Yeah.